Hey guys, I want to tell you about a new diet that I came up with. It should be good for health and for weight loss. And we need a new diet these days because a lot of the diets going around that are popular these days, a lot of people are struggling to stay on them. Also, have you noticed the United States isn't getting any thinner? So something's not working out. We need new diets. I call my diet the round food diet. And the name kind of tells you the logic behind it, the principles of the diet. And that is, food that is round will be healthier for you. You'll be more likely to be eating natural foods because, processed foods have all the roundness taken out of them. So food like oranges is going to be good. Another logical thing is that human beings have been programmed by nature to like round things. And nature would program us that way to get us to eat the foods that we should be eating. So stuff like oranges and blueberries, some nuts around. You would go by shell, not after they've been shelled. So you want to go by its original state. And the next level of healthiness would be food that is partially round in one dimension, such as cucumbers and bananas. Those foods would be second best, and you should eat those a little less often. Yellow potatoes tend to be pretty round, and russets are kind of oval, so you'd eat russets less often. And that makes a lot of sense because russets are high glycemic, one of the highest of all foods. And what's more round than balls? This will be good news for Frank Tufano. He eats a lot of organs.
We have adrenal, pancreas, thyroid, thymus, ovary, and we also have some beef testicles. So these are going to be, not powders. These are the whole frozen glands that we're going to be shipping on.
He eats kidneys. Those aren't very round. Those would be like level 3. But really round would be eyeballs. I don't think he's gotten into those. As for testicles, you should probably limit those to like 2 a day because, well, it makes sense, Another thing to pay attention to is the size of the food. Going by natural logic, the larger the food is, the more of it you should eat. So like watermelon, you can eat a lot of. And nuts are very small, so you should eat small amounts of them. You see, when nature makes a food small, you have to go through a lot. It takes more effort and more time, and so you would eat less of them. And yeah, nuts are a thing you don't want to eat a lot of. You know what happens when you do that. And check out another diet I invented 28 years ago. I've been able to stick to it, and it's kept me thin too. So check out my official carbohydrate diet plan with the complete rules. Now I'd like to give you some other examples of interesting ideas I've had. I like to get people thinking in a different way while entertaining people. I often get seriously sarcastic, but also sarcastically serious, providing great infotainment. This is an unusual video. This is another one of those weird videos where unrelated things all connect together in the end. A crazy world that I have been seeing. And of course mixing it all together with my genius level comedy.
Are you actually saying Ross was wrong by correcting Rachel for saying you're instead of your, and it's racist? What on earth is going on over in America?
This video is just plain stupid. The whole thing.
Fat phobia, misogyny, homophobia, etc. No, it's comedy.
What in the woke world is this?
Men are, disposable. But a fine woman like Ivanka, come on. Rob.
We got to pause right there. Just about nobody knows what he's talking about, or they might be pretending not to know. Leave a comment with some keywords for the algorithm.